Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the last episode of Carving Out Fun. I first want to say thank you to everyone who have followed along this collab with Betty Scrap Passion 01. I have had so much fun just cranking out fall and Halloween projects, and I think I'm just going to kind of keep on creating. We won't be coming on every Saturday, with this collab, but I think I might just continue to do some fall and Halloween crafts because I've had so much fun and I've bought a lot of stuff this year. So don't forget to go over and check out Betty Scrap Passion 01. I'll have everything down in the description box so you guys can see what beautiful creations that she created on today. So let me just jump right in. All right, so here is project number 1. I have a shaker here on the front. I use the paper by Jamie, who is not too shabby shop. Here is that paper. I love this fall paper. It screams pumpkin spice season. So I used this, and then it also had die cuts with it, and so that's what I have here are some die cuts out of that paper line. This is, of course, the little famous little Dollar Tree gnome. I said before, I am loving the gnomes this year. This little dangle here was from Betty, Scrap Passion 01. I added a flower there. And this is just a little clip I have here on the top to hold it together because it looks like this, guys. And what this is I followed a tutorial and I'll link it below. This is something you can house your fall pictures. You can use this to create any season, but it's just a way to keep little quick pictures in your little album to display. And so the first one I used a Tim Holtz die here to create this little coffee cup here. And of course I had to make it pumpkin spice. I added some snow tech here on the top part as well as the straw. It says pumpkin spice junkie. That is me. Well, actually, I really just like the lattes and all of that, but I don't really just, go real crazy with pumpkin. But this is a 4 1/4 size little card that you would take it and put your picture in there and you could close it back up. So really, really love how quick and easy this is to capture memories during this season. Okay. The next one that I created is this one here. And I use this little die here, and he's carrying a little pumpkin there. And so I picked that die up off of AliExpress. Here is that little die here. It's really, I really love all the elements to this die. Okay. So this is a die cut out of the paper line. I just added this little spoon here, pumpkin patch, and this little cup here. And then I put a little chipboard piece, Be Thankful. And then, of course, some of the Dollar Tree tool here. I also created all of this on a little envelope, and there was just some envelopes I had in my stash. So really, really like how that turned out. Okay. The third one is this one here. And of course, this is Mr. Snuggle. I used, I call him Mr. Snuggle, but of course, I don't think that's his name, but let me show you the die. Mr. Snuggle. Okay, so I got to tell you guys a quick story. My granddaughter has a bear, Mr. Snuggle, and so I'm always calling bears Mr. Snuggle. So it is Mr. Snuggles. And then I also used the coffee cup die with this here. And so I added pumpkin spice life, just added some little chocolate paper there to mimic a little chocolate there, a little chocolate spoon embellishment. It's popped up on Pop Dots. I actually took this little hat off one of the little gnomes and then created this fun little card here. Okay. And then the last one, I got to play with a new die, and it is this die here. I just picked this up at Hobby Lobby. And so I used a sticker. This is some acetate on top of here, and I put a sticker with these little heart cookies in the oven and put this little gnome here. He's already eating cookies and drinking a little drink there. I added this little thing, embellishment sticker that says nuts, and a little spoon there. And yeah, just created this fun little oven to put on the top of this one. Okay, so these were so much fun to create. And again, you can, you know, create one of these for whatever occasion that you want to just grab some photos. And I only have 4 in here, but you actually could put, I'm sure, more than 4 in there, because there's still some room, if you can see that. And then you just get it like this, and then you close it back up. And I'm going to close it back up with this little bow there. And that's that. And I love the shaker element on there. So cute, so fun. This was so easy to make. All right, let's move on to the second project. I have been wanting to make the bookshelves that everyone, you know, was creating. It was on my little to-do list. So I just added some seam binding here, put a little butterfly, because, you know, of course, the butterflies is in that paper. It's a nice size too, guys. You know, I love this paper here by Autumn Pink, so, or Hello Pink Autumn. And so, yeah, I added a chipboard sticker on the top, and then I have a little dangle here. And then it's really, as you notice, it's kind of tight here. So you couldn't really do a whole lot of embellishing on the actual books. So I just, you know, used this little cutout from another paper stack that says, "Give thanks, count your blessings, always be grateful." And I am a believer of that. On the side here, it just says, "Celebrate the season of thanks." And then I have some seam binding here that's holding it together, and you open it up. And in this one, I just stuck some embellishments in here. These little cute cards from Hobby Lobby, the mini trucks rather. And they had the little pumpkins on the back. Okay, and so that's the first one there. I'm gonna tie the ribbon back. This was fun too to create. All right, and then I'll take the second one out, put that one back in. This one says, "I love fall." And all of this paper is from the Hello Pink Autumn. And then in this one, I just got some fun trim, some of the eyelash trim. So this can be, you know, something to gift and send some nice embellishments, or just some crafty goodies to a friend. These are easy and really fun to make. And again, just like the other project, you can probably create any season. Okay. And oh, I didn't show this side of it. And then I just had chipboard says autumn from the paper. And then this one, fall, is my favorite. A little chipboard piece here, and it says "Get Cozy." Let's see what I have in here. I just have some fall bows in here, so you can embellish these up however you want. But these are just some fall color bows. Okay. And I think, you know, with this, you probably could even, if you're very creative, you can probably even, you know, make it a little bit bigger if you want to. And that way you can put a little bit more in your boxes. All right. And then I'll put this one back. And then this is the last one here, Hello Fall. I have a little rosette with that, have a little dangle on the side. And then in the inside of this one, I just have some sequence mix in here. A really cute little sequence mix. Okay? And that's all I have in this one. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope that you were inspired. If you are not a subscriber, I would love to have you as part of my crafty family. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Markeisha Staple. I'll have all of it down in the description box for you. And don't forget to turn on your bell notifications so that you will know when I upload another video. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.